Orion Cold Storage is an importer and distributor of bulk frozen foodstuffs, supplying wholesalers, retailers, the catering sector and manufacturers with distribution throughout Central and Southern Africa. The company, which is based in Muizenberg and Cape Town, specializes in frozen meat, poultry and dairy, and also raw materials from meat products for pharmaceutical purposes. Earlier this year, the South African Meat Industry Company and the Red Meat Industry Forum of South Africa received complaints about alleged illegal activities underway at Orion. Then a whistleblower who works at the company came forward with undercover footage he had taken on his cell phone between February and August this year. It's alleged that pork hearts are being brought into the country from Belgium and Ireland, packed in cardboard containers. The boxes are then relabeled and sold as sheep or beef veal hearts, and in some instances are marked as halal. These labels are allegedly supplied by Orion's director Patrick Gartner and are applied after the pork hearts arrive in South Africa. In one video, white containers with blue labels are stacked on pallets in the company's dry storeroom. Employees are seen using heat guns to remove original blue labels from the containers. The blue labels show the contents of the containers are actually pork hearts from Belgium or Ireland. The new labels read boneless veal hearts, product of Australia, or boneless sheep hearts. It's also alleged that water buffalo meat is being imported from India and is being sold to unsuspecting members of the trade as AB grade beef. It's claimed poultry is being imported from Spain via the United Kingdom and is then relabeled as halal when it is in fact not. In this video, a staff member admits to quickly blessing the product by applying a sticker and acknowledges she received the stickers from Gartner. Kangaroo meat is allegedly brought into the country from Australia and is renamed as chuck and blade, which is a beef cut, and new labels are then applied. In another video, white containers with black, yellow and red lids indicate that the producer is an exporter of venison in Australia. An employee wipes the bottom of the box and a bogus label showing a barcode is applied over the printed bottom to hide the fact that the product comes from Australia. The container is then shrink-wrapped and sold on. Further footage shows a label printing machine printing labels apparently designed by or on the instructions of Gartner. Expiry dates are removed from frozen turkeys and then sold to buyers as new. Another video shows how non-food grade milk powder for animal feed is removed from its original packaging, relabeled as skim milk powder fit for human consumption, and is then sold on. Employees use heat guns to remove labels from brown bags, and new forged labels are applied which claim the product is food quality and is halal. It's believed this animal feed may have found its way into baby formula. According to the Red Meat Industry Forum, forgery is taking place on a grand and continuous scale. The forum, along with the South African National Halal Authority Trust, went to court earlier this week and were granted an order allowing them to search Orion's premises under the authority of the sheriff of the court. They will go to court again today to apply for an interim interdict to prevent the company from altering information of products and relabeling products. The forum says it cannot speculate which products on shop shelves have been affected and cannot say at this stage which items consumers should avoid. However, they say they are investigating this. Eyewitness News has offered right of reply to Orion Cold Storage and has not received a response. Mandy Wiener, Eyewitness News.